Are you looking to import a car from Canada to the US? The process can seem complicated, but we're here to break it down for you. To import a Canadian licensed vehicle into the United States, the car can only remain there temporarily for 1 year without a proper import process. If you plan to keep the car permanently, you'll need to complete the necessary paperwork before the year is up. Here's what you'll need. If you have these documents, the process will go a lot smoother. Now let's talk about shipping your vehicle. Here's an example of what you can expect. From Canada to California, via port to Dallas, Texas. $900 for ocean shipping, $1,025 for ground transport. It'll take about 12 plus 7 days in total. From Canada to New York port to Boston, $700 for ocean, $400 for ground, and 9 plus 5 days to complete. Don't forget about insurance. You'll need to switch to US auto insurance before driving your Canadian car. Be sure to shop around and find a competitive rate. To complete the process, you'll need to register your car in your state. Take your border-approved documentation to the local DMV, and they'll check the vehicle's details, including the VIN and odometer reading. Once everything checks out, you'll be good to go. If you're ready to start importing your car from Canada, reach out to us today for assistance. We can help guide you through the entire process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.